back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up first and foremost. I've landed with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. And yeah, we are going to talk about with the description of the video say, so subscribe and like before watching. Make we kick it off like this day. So a video I go around with she in a gully play around some rubbish and thing, and the people they must say modern thing guys, but I'm making to watch it first, you see it?
No man. Buckler, no dog, what that? No, I'm not sure of that. No man. Oh about the DJ.
Hard life dog, Jaja.
Hard life, yo, John Star. Yo, me I tell you say how's the music. Buckler, them fight the artists to look what go on. Buckler.
Alright, so the greatest thing when you watch it and see for yourself, and if you not watch good then you can see say yo, the dog has scanned the rubbish them, and that is something good, cause at least you can say yo it's a music video, so we have to wait to see it in a music video. But otherwise we don't want to see that, and me know and me alone want to see that. Them money have always up. You see me? You can't see them think that it not look good. It just not look good. But we know people wicked and the other day still, you know. So if another video we give them the benefit of the doubt, I would have say people wicked because the money and way of life different, said we.
Greetings. I am extremely happy to hear you now waking up to the fact that we need to do something about our children. When I just came home, I asked you why 300 children went missing from Jamaica and continue to go missing. You all looked at me as if I was talking something far-fetched. Well, if you're ready for the truth, brace yourself. Okay? It's a bit hard to swallow, but brace yourself, because the truth must and shall set us free. Okay? We love our children. Without our children, there is no future. We cannot stand by and watch all these things happen to our children. But listen, ladies and gentlemen, listen, people of the good world, listen to me well. All of us have to play a part. Let's start right here with knowledge.
Alright, bigger boss. So as you can see, remember when the man did a start about that when him just come out of jail for real, you know, and where it's come to pass. You see me? Enough things are going on in Jamaica right now in regards about we must say Khanice, the young girl herself, same way. You see me? And people want to make it look like a something normal. This is not something normal. It's not supposed to be something normal. You see me? And they want to report when people are talk about the situation like it not forget. You see it? Expose. Them things I forget expose. And me I go share a video clip with Khanice, like our last whereabouts. If nobody know that spot you still, I don't know how it go. It's like if you don't have nothing to say about this, is like you don't have no heart. You see me? Yeah man. Even if you don't have a sister said way, you must have a mother. Though.
Blessed love people, I don't know, this is King Subi. I want to speak about this news that I see circulating. But before I even get into it, I want to say condolences to the family of Khanice, the sister that they found hanging in Portmore. Yeah? I want to say condolences, you know, to the people who I heard from this. But I want to look at this case from a different angle. And the reason I want to look at this from a different angle, because sometimes I see a level of hypocrisy and I'm kind of allergic to it. You understand? Now I see a lot of artists, a lot of entertainers coming forward now and showing a level of revulsion for this case. This case really striked a nerve. Seeing? So I see a level of revulsion. You know, people are angered by what happened. So I said to myself, say, them artists here now, them entertainers here now, we come forward and talk about, yo, them can't deal with the violence and the crime of violence need for, done in Jamaica, and them a blame the government, and them a call for Andrew Wellness and them things there, and them a burn out criminals. I want to know if it's just one type of criminal we burn out in Jamaica. Because the man them will go around and shoot women and shoot innocent people and shoot innocent brothers and shoot innocent sisters. Them a criminal too, The man them way man a do lyrics and man a sing song nowadays. And the type of song them where the man them a sing nowadays, trust me. Mr. Man used to say, art imitates life. But it come like the thing change now, It come like something change now. Come like me switch it around. Seeing? So the type of music when me hear the man I do nowadays, And if you listen to some of the same people, some of the same artists them here come forward and I say, yo, I hear that thing them do to the sister. Me I wonder say when them do song and riled up them little youth now, them little youth when I think rational. Them little youth when I have no balance. Seeing? When them go out and them carry out certain act, me no hear the same outrage. Me no hear no man say, yo, you know what? We're going to stop sing some song make you feel like say, we are sing song for uno, go carry out certain act, Because remember say the man do it as a lifestyle now. What am I hearing the music is like a lifestyle to them, Why? Why the thing different now? Because the artists them actually come like a real bad man. Like one time we used to hear about Ninja Man, the man, bad man artist, and we say, yo, I just lyrics. So the man I really pray and I say, yo, the man will come lick out your head back, Nowadays, I'm afraid of some artists. Like, yeah, some artists, trust me, them drive fear in me. Because them man are actually real bad man. Real bad man. You don't see it? I want to know. When you hear no artists come out and I say, yo, star, the man, them no fear. Get catch with gun, because of music we are doing. A man now get catch with guitar. A man now get catch with some drum machine. A man now get catch with some violin or something. A man now get catch with a bag of lyrics. Man now get catch with gun. And we go on like say we don't see that. We go on like we want to turn a blind eye upon that. Then we gun do. No kill people. Then if me have my fans them and my fans them know say a real gun thing me a deal with. So me have some fans who want to follow me. So where the fans them will follow me, where them I go do no violence, them I go carry out on people too. So I want to come out now to what happen now, which me understand say people outrage because a sister and of course she cute. But what happened to your innocent brothers and sisters them? What happened to your other innocent brothers and sisters them when man actually I listen to the music? I listen to the music because them lyrics I want to sing nowadays, And me no see how it relevant in another time, Me no see how it relevant in another time, if we not try come now and I say, yo, we don't want no violence against the sisters them. So a violence against other people, okay. Me not understand, me I try understand it. Because me know say after this dead down, after this 9 days pass, and we don't talk about Khanice anymore. We not go still come out and run out to the fans them and sing the worst type of lyrics them. With them little youth them actually I use it as a lifestyle, them little youth want to prove. That you don't understand, So when you come out now, I go on like say when I'm a hypocrite now. I want to know what I do to the youth them mind. Remember say one time man could even sing song about coke, Remember say man I sing about coke now and that I get forward, A man I say the baddest thing, One time if you ever sing a song about say man a this coke, or man a that with coke, or man a sell coke, a boom and booyah off a stage, And we there have to sing about man I say, yo, leave out the drugs alone, leave out the drugs alone, do not take it in car, remember them something there, And them thing they used to get forward, Give me the weed, good ganja weed, them thing they used to get forward. Man I said, man I burn out coke. So comes we have man now a sing about say, yo, them a go take the coke and sell it. Sell it to who? Now sell it to the youth them, and when you sell it to the youth them, when a man can't think rational because him heavily influenced by drugs, he might go do something like what happened to Khanice. Because him not think rational, him not have no balance. Him not have no equilibrium, so that means say him a go do some things where we are go see it now. And say, yo, a man really do that? But why you think a man that really do that? Because we have people actually are going like say, coke. Okay, now for singing a music. Who you going to sell coke to? Because you not export none, Because them borders are nowadays, you can't send nothing to no borders nowadays. I'll be a prison man I go. So who you going to sell the coke to when the plane land at Jamaica full of coke? Who you going to sell it to? The Jamaican them? So nobody expect say, you can't, what you going to expect from people who are under drugs? Because you will not take it, but you going to sell it. To who? And them song when the man them sing about chop off people head and them something. What do you think going to happen? So uno fans now, uno people now, because uno like me now, I don't really care neither because yo, me understand say uno not upon the level where me depend. So me I talk to like-minded people. When I not sing them songs there, because remember saying no, man used to sing lyrics and people could have deal with it and pick out the sense out it and the nonsense out it and people could have said, yo, just like when I watch a movie, a Carib, and them say gun in the movie and they say shooting a gun and people could have just know say art. People used to hear Ninja Man them a sing a ear. People are sing about gun lyrics and cabra them and we just say, yo, art. You see me I say? Because art imitate life. Right? But now, it's a whole different thing. It come like a lifestyle. And they look at youth them nowadays because we have we in a different era where people can actually put image to what uno sing say. When uno come in a video with cutlass a chop off man head and them something, they won't think I got happen boy. So them artists when they come out and I go and like say them so outraged about what happened to Khanice. Uno go stop sing when uno sing. Uno go start burn out some man who sing about coke. Uno go start burn out some man who sing about chop off people head. If you don't go do that, you know, save that, you know. And go out in the hypocrisy, you know, and the fans them where I come go and say them I come side with uno now. After uno feed them, uno feed them now. See, them I come now and go and like say them outrage for them to the sisters. You know, go away with that, you know. You don't go really like me still, but that's